वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावध आनी भलायकीन. So today directly from our garden, that is our home garden, our harvest is all this, and I am going to cook for us. This is Pakchoi or Bok Choy. It is one and the same. So these are the leaves. It tastes like spinach family and it is buttery. So yes, so I am going to use this pak choy and our mustard leaves and kale and our green chili to make a pepper fry beef. Yes, you heard it right. So my beef is already cooked here without vinegar. Only I have added ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. So this is 1 kg beef. I will show you. I will open and show you. Still it is, yeah. And some potatoes. So these are 3 small potatoes and 3 kagzi limes, again from our garden. So yes, it's nice when you grow and you cook something in your kitchen. So these many chilies. So these chilies are oriental chilies, not very spicy, and these chilies are also not spicy. So I'm going to make use out of all this and make beef fry, that is Bok Choy beef fry, along with this all. So it is cooked. I've given around 6 whistles for this beef, 1 kg beef. Okay. Now how to cut this. Curry leaves also will go in beef. It tastes very nice. Beef tastes very nice. So all the whites has to be separated. Okay, so we leave like this only because we need crunchy. And this so it will be like stir fried. Same way we have to cut all these leaves. Mustard leaves is yum. Okay, try mustard leaves with your meat. Then we'll cut our chilies. So it is beef, pakchoi, pepper fry. And yes, our mustard leaf flavor is there. Our kale flavor is there. Kale is also yummy and delicious. And our garlic. So around 10 flakes of garlic. So now I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and our garlic, curry leaves and chilies. Saute this on a low flame. Now we'll add our potatoes to this. Potatoes are not cooked, but if you want, you can cook. So let the flavor goes all to this, and we will add little bit of salt to this because our beef has already got salt. And then we cover this and cook this till our potatoes are cooked. This stock you can keep and use in your other gravies or whatever, or you can have like a soup. Now we'll add our beef to this. Potatoes are not yet cooked, but now let our beef also go in this. Add everything, even this part, and we'll fry this beef nicely. And only what we have to add is turmeric powder and pepper powder. So let's add our turmeric powder, that is 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder also I will add, that is 1 teaspoon, and our pepper powder. So pepper powder is around 2 teaspoons. That's it. Mix this all nicely. And let all get cooked nicely, because the leaves, Bok Choy leaf, it's spelled Pakchoy, Bokchoy. So either way you pronounce. Take 1 tablespoon of oil in a separate tawa, because we are frying our Bok Choy and our other leaves. Low flame, and fry this. So fry all separately and add a pinch of pepper powder and a pinch of salt. Once these are fried, so after frying we will add it to our beef and mix it. Give them aside and we will fry our other leaves also. So high flame. You want to add this slowly, only this much, very less quantity. So you can eat this like this only, but we are adding it to our beef, so it gives a nice flavor. Now we will add lime to this, lime juice. So I am using Kagzi lime. Small they are, but they are juicy. Put off the gas. Now we check our potatoes and beef. It is done. Potatoes are cooked. and beef is already cooked. So now we will add our bok choy and others. Mix this all nicely. And serve it. So try this recipe and make this if you get it in supermarket, or try to grow it in your home garden or kitchen garden and enjoy these flavors. Yes, it's done. I'll put off the gas and let the flavors go inside of this. I will cover this. थँक यू. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें सगल्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलीं. And you can squeeze some lime juice if you want on top of this. Thank you.
And here it's ready, lovely Bok Choy beef pepper fry. Bok Choy is from our garden, just harvested today. Very tasty. Thank you.